Hey everyone, welcome to our video. If you're tired of spending hours skimming and scrubbing your pool, we have the perfect solution for you. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of using a pool vacuum cleaner to effortlessly keep your pool sparkling clean. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary equipment at hand. You'll need a pool vacuum cleaner, telescopic pole, vacuum head, hose, and a skimmer basket. These tools will make your pool cleaning experience much more efficient. Assembling the vacuum cleaner. Start by attaching the telescopic pole to the vacuum head. Ensure it's securely fastened. Then, connect one end of the hose to the vacuum head, then the other end to the skimmer basket or dedicated vacuum port. Priming the vacuum hose. Before starting the vacuum, it's crucial to prime the hose. To do this, fully submerge the vacuum head and hose into the pool, allowing water to fill the hose completely. This will help create suction and remove any air bubbles. Operating the vacuum cleaner. Once the hose is primed, you can begin using the vacuum cleaner. Slowly move the vacuum head across the pool floor, overlapping each section to ensure thorough cleaning. Use long, sweeping motions and maintain a steady pace. Cleaning the pool surface and walls. While vacuuming the pool floor, you can also clean the pool surface and walls by using the brush attachment on the vacuum head. Gently brush any algae or debris off the walls, and the vacuum will take care of the rest. Emptying the skimmer basket or vacuum port. As you vacuum, debris will accumulate in the skimmer basket or vacuum port. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.